In front of me is Honor 200 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on the microphone icon at the top of it. Then start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, tap on blue button with a white microphone. To start again, click on white button with a blue microphone. To go back to standard keyboard, click on this arrow at the top left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!